This isn't about a quick fix. This isn't about driving the stock price and making money. It was about evolution.
In your mind, what's the difference about pivoting from a small technology company to an enterprise? And what can these enterprises learn from what happened there with Netflix or other ones you've been part of?
Follow the technology. And Reed, who is so perceptive, his thing was follow the technology and time to market. And that was, I understand, the debate. It wasn't that we didn't want to take the chance. It was, is time to market? Is technology going there? Do we have the resources? And once those aligned, that culture of innovation, which was set in that company, was the driver. I think a great example is what Charles Koch is doing as Koch Industries. I think Koch Industries is pivoting very well to be really a technology leader. I've seen other companies that don't have that culture, that were unable and did not want to pivot at all. So it's a unique mix of commitment and talent, but culture is very important, set early in the stage of a business plan. Culture, vision, and people make successes, not technology.